In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Hostinger webmail account by uploading a profile picture. This simple process will not only help others easily identify your emails, but also add a personal touch to your correspondence. So let's get started and make your Hostinger webmail uniquely yours. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger webmail account. You can do this by navigating to Hostinger's website and clicking on the webmail login option. Once there, enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure to keep your login details secure to protect your email from unauthorized access. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to modifying your profile settings. To do this, direct your attention to the settings icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From there, look for the word settings and give it a click. This is where you can manage all the personal details associated with your email account. Next, within the settings menu, you'll find an option labeled profile. Go ahead and click on that. You are now in the section where you can make various changes to your account's profile information, including uploading your picture. Let's proceed with uploading a picture. You'll usually find an option to upload a picture or change your current profile image here. Click on the Upload Picture button. This action will prompt a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Select the image you wish to use as your profile picture. A couple of quick tips here. Choose a photo that clearly shows your face and is professional if you're using webmail for work. Also, check the image format and size requirements, as some platforms may limit the file type and size you can use. Once you've selected your desired image, it should appear in the preview area, indicating it's ready to be saved. But before moving on, take a moment to confirm that it looks as expected. If you're satisfied, look for a Save button, typically at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will finalize your changes and update your profile with the new picture. And there you have it. You've successfully personalized your Hostinger webmail profile with a new picture. Remember that keeping your profile up to date with a recognizable photo helps others identify your emails quickly and adds a level of personalization to your communication. If you encounter any issues during these steps, feel free to revisit the process or check Hostinger's support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your communication a bit more personal.